Hey guys, welcome back to our recipes episode.
I don't know, another episode.
You're such a smart man. Season 2, episode 2. I'm Leanne Ratomsky and this is my husband.
Yuri.
And for those of you who've never watched us before, we like to cook. So tonight we're going to be making not an entree, but kind of like a dessert. Would you call it dessert?
Yeah, more like, dessert.
Dessert, which is kind of cool because we've never baked on our show before. So we are going to be making banana bread. Well, he's going to be making banana bread. I'm just going to be talking most of the video. So, you want to get into it?
Sure, you can go through the ingredients.
Yes, so we will start with the ingredients. Alright, so for this banana bread, it's very, very simple. You're going to need 3 ripe bananas. You're going to need some brown sugar. You're going to need some melted butter. How much is this? How much butter is this?
5 cups.
5 cups?
No, 5 tablespoons.
I was about to say, Jesus.
That's a lot of butter.
Yeah, okay, you're gonna need 5 tablespoons of melted butter, some baking soda, some vanilla extract, some crushed walnuts or whatever type of nuts you like. And if you don't like peanuts or walnuts, you can substitute. I was gonna say if you don't like nuts, but then I knew my husband would make a sexual joke, so I didn't say that. Anyway, and we like to put some dried cranberries in our banana bread. So some cranberries and flour, all-purpose flour, and 1 egg. So if you didn't get that as I talked, don't worry, the ingredients will be at the bottom of your screen. But that's all you're gonna need for this banana bread.
Alright, so we can go ahead and get started. So this recipe is gonna take about 10 to 15 minutes to prep, and then you're gonna have to cook it in the oven at 350 for about 50 minutes. So the oven's already preheated, so I'm gonna start making this banana bread. So you need 2-3 bananas. We're gonna use 3. I like to use 3 because it's not gonna be as dry, so be a little bit more moist. So you just need a bowl, throw your bananas in there. That's step 1. So then you're gonna take whatever this thing called, but use it for potatoes, you're gonna use this for bananas.
I think this is gonna be called the smasher today. You just take the smasher and you smash them bananas.
You can use a fork if you want, but I like to do this. It's a little bit quicker and faster.
Okay, so what can I do?
Nothing. There ain't not much to do. It's like a one-person job.
This is our recipes with Leanne and Yuri, not just Yuri's
Can
recipe.
you give me a fork?
See, you need me.
I made you need.
You what?
I made need you.
You made meat for me. Okay, what's this for?
Nothing, I just clean this off, so obviously when you smash it, you need to clean it off. So I guess if you just use a fork, then you don't need it, but whatever.
Alright, does the butter go in next?
Yeah, so you want to smash that until it's like one consistency. So we went from bananas to like goo. Now we're gonna go ahead and add the butter in there.
Okay.
Add the butter.
See?
I'm sure they can see.
I'm useful in this video.
Then 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Well, you said table.
Well, 1 teaspoon.
Thank you.
Okay. Then you're gonna need some vanilla flavor in there.
Vanilla extract. I got me some vanilla flavor in my life.
So you need 1 teaspoon of this as well. Add that. Okay.
Okay. That means the oven is ready.
Yes. 1 egg.
Okay. 2.
Alright. Then we're gonna need to add sugar.
How much sugar?
We use, I won't tell them.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
I'm trying to explain what kind of sugar it is. I use brown sugar.
Because he likes his sugar brown like
But
his
I like
wife.
it lightly.
Like his wife, light brown. That's me.
She's weird.
I'm not, that's the truth, you know it.
So, this is a 1/4 of a cup. You're gonna need 3 of those. So 3/4 of a cup.
You know, I never understood fractions.
You still don't.
I do now, obviously. 3 of those will be 3/4.
What's 5/10?
It's 5/10.
What is it?
It's like you got 10 little pieces and it's 5 of those.
So it's a
5/10.
half.
Oh, well, I didn't know you wanted it like that. I thought you were just asking me to explain what 5/10 were. You could have just put that whole little bag.
Well, I didn't know how much it was, but it was less than 3/4, so.
Okay.
You got sugar.
I think we're out of brown sugar.
Yeah, we're gonna need more brown sugar.
Don't worry, you got me, baby.
Yeah, okay. So then we're gonna use flour. Just use all-purpose flour. You need 1.5 cups of flour.
Okay.
1.5 cups. We're gonna use 1/2 cup because we're gonna need 3 of these. Get it? 1.5 cups. So you start with 1/2.
Okay, we got it. Just put the flour in there.
You know?
That's a lot of flour. But I don't know how to make this, so I'm just watching too.
Trust it. Trust it like trust it.
Okay, so you done with flour?
Yep.
Now what's next?
And then it's a pinch of salt.
You want to use that salt or the other salt?
No, we use this one.
Okay.
This is the salt straight from the Himalayan mountains.
Or straight from Target. And they said it was from the Himalayan mountains.
Alright, so they said pinch, but we're just gonna do a twist.
Okay. That's enough. That's a pinch.
No.
Okay.
Pretty good. Alright, so we still have our cranberries and we have our walnuts. I'm gonna add those after I mix everything in because it's just gonna get too dry and it's gonna get complicated.
Okay. So then you mix everything that you just put in a bowl together?
Yep.
And it's supposed to get thick like this?
Yep.
I mean, it's getting really thick, guys.
That's what she said. Nice.
It's so gross. I keep telling you this is a family show.
Okay.
Next, I'm gonna come in and add the walnuts and the cranberries because I don't have anything else to do. So walnut and cranberry, it's my job. Walnuts, sprinkle the nuts.
It's 1/3 of a cup of walnuts.
And how many cranberries? Is
And
this?
it's 1/3 of a cup of cranberries.
Why am I saying cranberries like that?
Because you can't talk.
Cranberries. It's berries, not berries. Cranberries. 1/3 of a cup of cranberries.
And there you go.
There you go.
Now what we do is just mix that in again. Alright. So at this point, we got our mixture. Looks the same, it just looks like there's
Cranberries and walnuts in it.
Okay. So,
Okay, now we need the pan. We're gonna put it in, right?
bam.
Are we doing muffins or are we doing
Yeah, we're doing muffins.
All right, so we're gonna make banana bread muffins. So they're gonna go in here.
So,
Oh, well, let me get the little spray.
we don't use the spray, we use the coconut oil. That's what I use.
Well,
So
we have
you-
some in the cabinet. I'm just trying to get rid of it.
I don't want to use that spray stuff. It's like poison.
It's not, you so bougie. It's actually from Whole Foods. It's
Okay,
organic.
Let me see.
All right.
And we wait. Find all this junk. I don't want junk in the house.
This is from Whole Foods. I got it there.
Oh, okay.
Baker's Joy. There you go.
I don't think Whole Foods would ever sell that.
I promise you. Me and Uncle Jack went to get that
How about you
specifically.
then? Let's see what's in there.
Just because they got stuff here don't mean it's not from Whole Foods.
Ingredients: soybean oil,
Soy.
propellant, hydra, soy. Yeah, okay, we're gonna use coconut oil.
Sorry, Baker's Joy. I tried.
So we're just gonna add some in there. Got a little brush.
That ain't from Whole Foods.
It's still a brush.
I got that brush from the same place we got that Baker's Joy.
I know, because it wasn't from Whole Foods. I know Whole Foods doesn't sell it. I know Whole Foods like in my sleep. So don't try to tell me like you bought something from there when you didn't.
Is there a such thing as like, you know how they have label whores, guys? You know how they got label whores? Is there a such thing as like a Whole Foods whore? Because if there was, that would be my husband. You know it would be. But remember that one time I took you to Kroger and the groceries were very cheap and you was very, very impressed?
And remember when we bought like that meat
Don't talk about that part.
other stuff from other stores and it was like tasted like crap? Yeah. Alright, back to the show.
Okay,
So
give me this.
if you want to use the spray, you use the spray. I don't care. Not my life. And we use coconut oil, just butter that up. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this and we're gonna put it in there.
Let's get it.
Can I get like a
No, you making more dishes. Put it in there.
Dude, I clean like 99% of the
Just
time.
get it
Can I
in
get
there.
one of those black things?
This one.
No, the other one.
This one.
Yeah.
Just more dishes every day, all
Right.
day.
More attitude every day.
You know, I think this is a man thing. When men cook, they use every damn dish in the house.
Do you cook?
Yes, I do. And when I do cook, I only use very few dishes for you to clean up.
But maybe that's why my food's so good, because I use.
That don't got nothing to do with how your food tastes.
Whatever.
As he's putting the muffins in the muffin pan, I'm gonna ask you a very serious question, Yuri. You already know what it is.
I don't, but why would you ask me?
Do you know the Muffin Man?
What if I told you I was the muffin?
If you told me you were the Muffin Man, I would say that's incorrect because the Muffin Man lives on Mulberry Lane.
Yeah, probably uses that spray too.
Hurry up and make these damn muffins.
You said damn.
I mean, daggone, I forgot. This is a family show.
We have muffins.
Muffin.
Banana bread / walnut / cranberry / brown sugar organic non-spray banana bread muffins.
He get on my nerves, y'all.
Alright,
Ooh.
so the oven's ready. We're gonna go ahead and take these and I'm gonna put them in there. Alright, so that's done. How long is it in there for? I said
50 minutes.
Alright, Alexa, set a timer for 50 minutes.
15 minutes.
No. Alexa,
Hold on.
cancel the timer.
Alexa,
15-minute timer canceled.
Alexa, set a timer for 15 minutes.
Why do you speak in this fake house? She don't like you. I got it. Watch this. Alexa.
15 minutes.
See, she think you're saying 15. Alexa, cancel the timer.
This is the most complicated part of the recipe.
Alexa,
There are no timers.
Alexa, set a timer for 50 minutes.
Amazon, you guys gotta work on
50
this thing.
minutes. Starting now.
Oh, she's a little bit slow today.
All right. So now that we have the timer set, what do? We wait, right?
Yeah, we wait.
Our muffins have been in the oven for about 50 minutes and now we're gonna take them out.
Sure are. Muffins.
So what we're gonna do now is just take the brush and brush some butter on the top. And it's gonna be great. We'll cut one open so you guys can see the inside. You wanna cut one of those open?
Yeah, I'm gonna take them out.
All right.
I need a plate.
Do you need like something to get it out? Ooh, let me give you a knife. So Yuri's gonna cut one open and I'm gonna taste it because I'm hungry.
Kinda hot.
That's fine. Ooh, it looks so good.
It's good, right? Told you.
Mm-hmm.
And we didn't use the spray stuff.
Ugh, it's nasty.
Yeah, okay.
That's like fantastic.
Oh no, I made it.
Okay, come on. In all seriousness, thank you guys for watching another episode of Our Recipes. Don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Yes, please do.
Anything
Try to make
else?
some money off this.
You so ghetto. I'm just doing it because I love cooking with my husband. Or I love eating
Yeah,
what my
you-
husband cooks.
You just want to be on camera.
Duh. Obviously. I'm the star of the show.
Okay, sure.
Alright, but like us, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.
See you guys.
Give me this.